Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about beautiful hairstyle ideas for women over 60. As we get older, our hairstyle can still be modern, elegant and full of confidence. The right hairstyle can make you look fresh, stylish and comfortable every day. Many women over 60 prefer hairstyles that are easy to manage and still look beautiful. Let's explore some lovely hairstyle ideas. First is the short pixie cut. The pixie cut is one of the most popular hairstyles for older women. It is short, neat and very easy to style. This haircut makes your face look bright and youthful. It also works perfectly with natural grey or silver hair. If you want a hairstyle that saves time every day, the pixie cut is a great choice. Next is the classic bob hairstyle. The bob is a timeless and elegant haircut. It usually comes to the chin or slightly below the chin. This hairstyle suits many face shapes and looks very neat and stylish. You can keep it straight or add soft waves for a more relaxed look. Another beautiful option is the layered short haircut. Layers add volume and movement to the hair. As we age, hair may become thinner, so layers help the hair look fuller and more lively. A short layered haircut is also simple to maintain and style. The shoulder length hairstyle is also a wonderful idea. Some women prefer to keep their hair a little longer. Shoulder length hair looks soft and graceful. Adding light layers can make the hair look more natural and stylish. This hairstyle is perfect for both casual days and special occasions. Another lovely style is the soft curly haircut. If you have natural curls, you can embrace them proudly. Soft curls add volume and personality to your hair. With the right haircut, curly hair can look very elegant and full of life. The shaggy hairstyle is also becoming very popular. This haircut has many layers and gives a relaxed and modern look. The shag hairstyles add texture and movement, making the hair look youthful and stylish. Now let's talk about trapped short hairstyle. In this haircut, the sides and backs are shorter while the top has more volume. This creates a clean and fashionable appearance. It is also very easy to manage and perfect for women who like simple style. Here are a few easy tips to keep your hair healthy and beautiful. First, trim your hair regularly. Second, use a good shampoo and conditioner. Third, choose a hairstyle that matches your face shape and lifestyle. Remember, beauty does not depend on age. Women over 60 can look graceful, stylish and confident with the right haircut. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.